What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in late night, man, because we got a jam-packed day on tomorrow, and I'm expecting nothing but volatility in the market leading up to the Fed meeting on tomorrow, guys. So brace yourselves as I plan on us as a family taking full advantage of everything they give us, okay? With that being said, guys, stay tuned to the end of this video. I want to talk to you guys about a few things, but before we do that, you guys already know I gotta love on the family. I gotta celebrate the family, guys. I promise to do that each and every day just to show the progress of people, of everyday people, that they're making on their strides in this market, okay? As I often say, man, you guys are running your own race. Continue to do that. Be content with the small victories, be content with the big victories, but more importantly, embrace the journey as a whole, okay? Because it's a beautiful thing, guys. Today, I can't be more proud of you, as I say each and every day, because guys, you gotta think of it from my perspective. To sit back on a daily, talking to everybody, but then to get flooded with the text messages, the emails of all you guys doing your thing, from the brand new person to the seasoned vet that sends stuff in every day, okay? And I know I can't put everybody in every video every day, but I pick a few to highlight, and it just makes me so happy for you all to see what your peers are doing, okay? And that's what it's about. Put in a little bit of work. Understand that it won't all come together overnight, but with time, with practice, with patience, guys, you're guaranteed to get results, especially when you're following sound advice, you're following the trends of what the market gives you, so on and so forth. So major salute to those doing their thing today. I plan on us doing the same thing tomorrow, so please get ready, please get prepared. Speaking of getting ready, guys, like I said before, we got the Fed meeting on tomorrow at 2:30, so expect that to again create some volatility in the market. Matter of fact, historically, during the meeting, the market likes to drop. So I'm anticipating us as a family, no matter what play you're doing, to be doing some puts primarily during that time period if you're going to do anything at all. It is totally okay to sit out, watch the meeting, listen to the meeting, or let the meeting just unfold, run its course, and conclude, and then jump back in the market to close out the day. That's totally fine as well, okay? With that being said, though, guys, again, I'm always looking for opportunity, but I'm always trying to take a safe and conservative approach to those opportunities, otherwise known as calculated moves, okay? And so I'm not just willy-nilly, I'm not just going in blind. I'm trying to see, how can I get the best bang for my buck? How can I capitalize off of what the market will give me? If we know that the market crash every time the Fed talks, then a crash means the plays will go down. So how can I be patient enough to wait for the stocks to go high, buy them at a high, and ride them down? I'm gonna be strategizing like that throughout the day tomorrow leading up to the Fed time. And if I see something I like, I am going to take full advantage of it. If I don't, guys, I'm okay with sitting it out, and I'm okay with saying, you know what, I didn't like that setup, or I didn't see a setup I like on a play that I was trying to make money off of. And then I'll just sit back, guys, and then I'll give it a go maybe later on in the day before market close, or I'll just come back with my game face on, ready to do my thing the next day. That's how this goes, because it's a game of patience, okay? Do not be hasty in this game, because it will burn you very, very quickly, all right? With that being said, guys, be ready for the meeting on tomorrow. More importantly, be ready for the volatility that will come with it. Listen, guys, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is uncertainty. Listen, guys, I wanted to make sure I pounded the point home with the uncertainty and the impact that it has on the stock market, okay? When you are dealing with uncertainty, which we have, even though we've been told there's going to be, for instance, 50 basis point move for tomorrow, okay? That's what we've been told. But for whatever reason, the market is kind of like, do we really believe that? Could they hit us with a curveball? Could we do 75? Could we come in a little light and do 25? Okay, and so because that uncertainty exists, it's going to cause the market to be acting wacky, okay? And again, to avoid getting hit with the ooh-wop, you guys just need to wait for the certainty to present itself. But then, you know, like it's been said, Hey, boom, we were told 50 basis points, and he came out at 230 and stuck with 50 basis points. Boom. The market from there can do whatever it's going to do, whether it's going to go up and start a rally, or whether it's going to stay sideways, or whether it's going to come down. Regardless, we all, as traders, as investors, we all can get back in the game with a clear game plan in mind on how we want to proceed and move forward. Okay, listen guys, a few stocks that I'll be looking to buy, or dollar cost averaging. That's what you do in the bear market. Okay, this is not the year that I'm going to be going super crazy with the stocks. Okay, I am going to be building my stocks up super crazy for future better time periods than a bear market. Does that make sense? So for instance, guys, I'm going to be waiting for Apple to hit my price targets. I'm going to be waiting for Tesla to drop. I'm going to be waiting for Nvidia to drop. I'm going to be waiting for Facebook to hit certain levels. Things like that is what you do. And along the journey, whether it's your VTI ETFs, whether it's your individual stocks, you dollar cost average, okay? And I'll be dollar cost averaging my way into my play so that I can get the best bang for my buck, even in this crazy market, okay? And then because the rallies are short-lived in a bear market, I might very well ride them up when they have this pop that we might get off of this rally, or just the summer bounce that we may get, okay? Might ride them up to the summer, sell them, let the market crash back down again, then rinse and repeat, as opposed to my normal style of just holding for the long haul. A bear market, it's a little different game, okay? A bull market, you can hold through the down and ups and downs because it's going to eventually continue higher, okay? In a bear market, they sell the rips, and when you sell the rip, when you sell in general, you make the stock price fall, and so therefore your plays can never maintain their value. They'll continuously come back down. I'm not trying to create any bag holders. I'm not trying to be a bag holder myself. Therefore, I'll let you guys know if and when I get in something, and if I choose to sell it when it runs up, for example, okay? So for instance, you guys know under 245, 265, I love Nvidia. So I love it at 200, I love it at 195. I hope to get Nvidia at 150 if it comes down that low, okay? But now that I see 292 is a level, that 290 to 300 level is what my target is. It had resistance at that higher level. So if I can get it at 180, 200, I might take it to 292, 285 to be safe, sell Nvidia and let it get smacked back down to 195 again, and rinse and repeat. I hope that example makes sense of how you dollar cost average, get it primarily at the lower end, ride it up in a bear market because they're going to sell it anyway to crash it back down, but that way you still make your money. Then you get back in the low end because it's still a good company. It's just Wall Street selling, okay? And then we'll ride it back up. That's just one example of many, guys, but that's the power of DCAing and also knowing where you want to enter at and where you want to exit at, guys. Listen, man, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.